Okay, so here's my Guophone XP9800 running off a standard good USB supply, which, as you can see, is putting out about 5.1 volts, and it's charging at about 0.4 amps. Now here's my volt modded supply, and up here we're charging at about 80 milliamps on the battery. 150, 200, so yeah, it's been maxing out at about 220, and that's running off a standard supply. Now this is my volt modded supply. Over here we have about 5.5 volts, and about over here we have 6.5 volts. Now let's see what kind of difference that makes. Okay, so here we've got about 5.1 volts at 0.4 amps. Let's try the lower voltage. Okay, so here we go, 5.5 volts, and we're up to nearly 1 amp. So that's gone from about the previous 2 watts or so to now nearly 6 watts, 5.5 watts, and the charging current's up to 460 milliamps. It has been going higher than that, 470. I think it's been peaking out about 5 something. I think it's even gotten to 700. But the point being is that simply raising that voltage from 5.1 volts to 5.6 volts has effectively doubled the charging current and speed. And this isn't using QuickCharge or anything like that. This is simply a volt modded charger. So let's try the even higher voltage supply. Or 6.5 volts. Now that's under load, it's dropping down to 5.9, still 1 amp. Oh, there we go, 500 milliamps, 450 milliamps, and already that'll sort of slowly work its way up again. But again, so this is charging twice as fast as it would off a normal charger, and that's simply by giving it 1 more volt. And I've discovered that there's no real issue. Giving the device more voltage isn't going to fry them. I've tried about 15 different devices, from tablets to smartphones to phablets and smartwatches and battery power banks and you name it. And the only time when they have a problem with the higher voltage is that they just simply refuse to charge. And, in this sort of program, come up with a, over voltage display. But that's it. But anyway, so this one charges twice as fast as it would off a normal high quality supply, which I think is rather worth it.